So guys, what is the price for dropshipping? How much is it gonna cost to find a winning product? How much budget should you have? And I'll tell you, it's more than this computer right here. And dude, that cost me way too much money. It was absolutely not worth it. I do not recommend these ones. Anyways, guys, how much does dropshipping cost? What are you gonna spend? Some people say 1,000. Some people say you can make it work with $500. It really is situational. So some people might lose, after spending $3,000 and winning at 4K. Some people, dude, I had 2 people in my coaching program spending $10 and finding winning products. But what are the chances? Do I take credit for that? It's just random. It's just pure luck that these guys managed to make money so quickly. So we probably just get straight into the video. If you want to get into the coaching program with dropshipping, you can message me on Instagram here. Been a great success so far. Please just follow me on Instagram one here again. Anyways, if you just want to follow, that's cool. If you want to be the best guy in the world, like this video, make sure you subscribe, and that's about it. So the last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Felipa Fontana. Like I said, I'm going to bring this up again. You can message me on Instagram. Just go a little bit backward. I'll plug my Instagram here again. That's my Instagram. Message me there. You want to win the next free 30-minute consulting call giveaway? Then make sure you comment something interesting. You do subscribe and like to my channel, because I will be checking. So guys, what I was going to say, what's the money required for dropshipping? What's the mental state required for dropshipping? Everything like that. There's work ethic too. There are obviously cheaper ways to do it. You could save money by doing this. You could save money by doing that. Actually, just putting in effort into your business will also save you money, instead of just running like half-finished product that's not even ready to go. So it all comes down. If you don't know what you're doing, if nobody's ever helped you understand product research, you never knew a Facebook ad strategy, you could spend 3,000. There's so many people coming to me saying like, I regret didn't get help earlier because now I spent 4K on just horrible things, and then after they spent 4K on ads, I checked their product research, and it's still like day one product research. They have no idea how to find a good product. You're gonna keep spending money forever. You know what you're doing, or you're working with someone who knows what you're doing, chances are obviously gonna increase. I'm not saying you have to work with someone. That's not what I'm trying to say here. It's always nice though. I'm just trying to say like your chance can increase by doing this, doing that, just being experienced. And also a good way to figure out is, obviously to figure out what product is trending, what kind of products is working, similar stuff like that. But you guys want the answer, right? That's why you came to this video. I'd say dropshipping can work from anywhere from $500 if you can rent money from someone when you're scaling. If you can ask like that, can I get $600 just to scale while my payout is on the way out? You could maybe work with $500 if you find a winner, but you could also spend $3,000. So let's set up the ideal budget. $2,000 to $5,000 is the ideal budget. Can you make it work with $500? Yes. What are your chances? A little bit lower, unless you know exactly what you're doing, but chances are still lower. So whatever the guru says, it's gonna be hard without that. I'm sorry to bring it to you guys, but you can make it work with less. You could work with influencers. I'm talking about Facebook ads now. You could even make Facebook ads work with $400, but chances are low, okay? But you can make it work with 500. Chances are just low. The higher budget, that's, the better it is. So 1,000, 2,000 to 5,000 is a pretty good budget, I would say, to get started. And if you put like 1K of that into some help, you're good to go, I'm pretty sure. So that's more on like the budget of dropshipping. Could you spend more? Yes. But I mean, if you get some help or just research a little bit more than just, automating your business, just running on autopilot, I think you should be good to go before that. And if you run out of money, you need to set up a hustle, right? You need to figure out like, where's my next 500? What can I do to gather another $500 after losses? Because it was a cycle I repeated going. Like I said, it's in another video of mine. Like when I was losing $500, I was like, where's my next 300? Can I find 400? I sold something. So it can all come down to the point where you like just sell a stupid cup or something. I don't know, a table just to get your money. I don't know. There's a lot of ways to do it. When I started though, I sold 2 designer belts. I don't know why I had them. I thought I was the richest guy in school, but I was obviously completely broke. But I had 2 designer belts, felt like a king, and I wanted to spend my money on Facebook ads. I got a coach a little bit for free. I didn't really get too much advice from it though, but it boosted me a little, right? So it was an advantage. But I was gonna run Facebook ads, so I sold 2 designer belts, and now I had $500, put them all in Facebook ads. It flopped, and I was like, where's my next $500-600? Where's my next dollar that I can spend on ads? So the thing is super important is like, if you're planning to make this work, you need to be set up for scaling, because when you get into the scaling phase, you're gonna start spending more money on Facebook ads and everything. What are you gonna do if you only have $100 left? So you need to set up, how can I rent some money? Because you'll be waiting for your payouts. You definitely do not want to pause your ads either. So like while you're waiting for a payout, from Stripe, say you get the payout like the 20th of October, and now it's the 12th of October, so that's 8 days till the payout. I know I said 5 here. That's 8 days till the payout. You'll be in some trouble if you only have $200 left, because how are you going to scale it if you can't afford it? So you need to figure out like a friend or something you could rent money from. I mean, if you can show them that like, I get money, I can tell you I get money the 20th of October, just rent till then, you should probably be good, you know what I mean? So make sure you like and subscribe, by the way. But like, that's what you guys got to do. Have that budget, 2,000 to 5,000. That basically covers how much it costs to get success with dropshipping. It is about it in terms of the budget, but there are a couple of things that you guys could actually do to increase your chances of spending less. That's first, get a mentor. Second of all, know how to product research and know Facebook ads a little bit. This all comes down to your Facebook ads. If you have no idea how to run Facebook ads, you're going to keep spending money forever. If you have no idea how to product research, you're going to spend money forever. So you need to figure out a little bit like, how does a good product look? What product could go viral? How can I catch a trend early? That's a super important thing you guys could learn. I'll probably do a video on that, actually, how to catch a trend early. So that's one thing you guys could also learn. Like the reason Eric's store blew up so fast in my series, taking a subscriber store from 0 to 10K a day, is just because me and Eric caught a trend. We found a trend early. It was the second product they ever tested, and it blew up to like 4 or 5K a day. And that is just because we caught the trend early. So if you want to save money, first tip is get a mentor. Second is catch a trend early. And third is know your product research. Dude, Facebook ads is hard, of course, but it's just, if you have the testing strategy down, you know how to test the product and maybe duplicate and increase some budgets to scale, you're pretty good to go to get in the beginning phase of making some money, right? But if you don't have the right product, dude, I see this over and over again. Like I had some people in my coaching that never made it work before they joined me because they have no idea how to choose product research. They were just running stupid humidifiers, stuff that they thought were super cool. You're gonna spend money forever. I'll tell you that, forever, if you don't know how to do product research. Spend hours a day, make a document, get 20 products a day on your document, and then choose the 2 best ones, research them. Just send a message to a dropshipper. Just send a message to your favorite YouTuber. Like, what do you think about this product? And if it's just like, yeah, it's good to go, you research, this is untapped, this is getting saturated. And if it's good to go, a couple of people are selling it, they're starting to trend super early but still untapped, then go for selling it. That's gonna, increase your chance of not spending too much if you find a good product. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. $2,000 to $5,000, but you can make it work with less. Make sure you subscribe and like to my channel, and you'll be seeing me in the next video.